Here I got my Viltrox, 25 f1.7 APS-C lens on my FX30. Today I shot some time lapse of the sun, and it works wonderfully. It works beautifully for this. Also works great for some astrophotography, some long exposure that you can get a little bit better with the lower aperture. Focus all right. More of a video guy, time-lapse guy, but it does take some nice photos, and it's a nice compact lens. Overall, I like it, and especially for the price. I mean, it's pretty good. I don't use it a lot for video, but for my time-lapse, or my S&Q mode, it works well.